Hey everybody, it's Mark again. I figured out what was wrong with the center barrel. Like I said, the arbor here, which is actually there, wasn't catching the middle of the spring, so I had to squeeze the spring a little bit to get it to catch. I fixed the ply that was bent. I fixed this arbor by making a new tab to catch the very inside of this barrel spring, and I finally think I got it fixed. The timing of the clock, there's a screw on the inside of this wheel here that you have to adjust to get, because this wheel here is what controls whether it's going to strike on the half hour, quarter hour, 3/4 hour, or hour, and it wasn't striking on the hour because this cam here wasn't catching right. So I think I got it fixed now. It took me a while to do it. I had to wind this barrel up again. That's how long it took me to get it. So here's goes nothing. Quarter of an hour, and it's doing its thing. Half hour, and it's doing its thing. You see the gongs. 3/4 of the hour, and it's doing what it's supposed to do. And hopefully the hour. And it didn't do what it's supposed to do. Or it's actually slow at doing what it's supposed to do. So I still don't think I have that cam, this cam here, the main cam, adjusted just right. So these things can be really finicky, and getting them to adjust, unlike cuckoo clocks, I can figure those out really quickly. But with these, because I don't work on them every day, it takes me a little bit of time to figure them out. And this cam slot for the 3/4 hour could be worn out just a little bit. So causing it not to, on the 3/4 of the hour, let it finish doing what it's supposed to do. This tab should be up just a little bit more. Quarter hour. I didn't lift it up high enough. half hour, 3/4 of the hour. You see how far down this tab is? This post compared to every other time, this post is further down. So on the hour, it's working when I do it with this lever over here, but when I do it with the hands, it's not working. So I'm going to try it one more time with the hands and see if it works. And that might be the wheel that actually is behind the minute arbor here might be worn out on the hour, causing it not to lift high enough. So I will look at that next if this doesn't strike on the hour. Here's praying. Well, it struck on the hour that time. So I'm gonna go through the hours some more to make sure it's working properly. If not, it's either this cam that needs to be adjusted or the tab that is behind the minute arbor that tells it the hour is either bent or needing adjusted. But anyway, I'm getting there. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos, and God bless, and please leave me some comments. Thanks. Bye.